Time to get to the front. Ain't know what I'm gonna find up in there. Don't know what I'm gonna find up in there. Kind of looks like trash already, but we'll see. Drop spindles. If you're wondering what size, at least for mine, it's H 3/8 to get the brake calipers off. Get you some zip ties. You can zip tie this brake caliper up when you ain't fighting with it. And this is what we got from somebody else's work. I don't know what the hell they did back there. And they went deep. Top looks like it needs to come up higher. Right through here. Well, that's pretty wide, but that's what I got to work with. I had to cut those off. I ain't gonna be using their homemade brackets, and I'm going to be using the infamous shock bracket, which I believes goes right back here and down to the A-arm. But I'm eventually going to be getting the infamous A-arms. Now I've got to get this rotor off, transfer everything over to the 2-inch drop shaft. 13 millimeter to get the dust shield off. That bolt was dirty. I'm going to clean this before I put it back on. I think I cleaned it pretty good. Big difference. Big difference. You want to know what I clean it with? Clean it with Super Clean. It's the best stuff I've ever used for degrease. I use Super Clean, a brush, and a wire wheel. Bottom A-arm is pretty dirty, so I'm going to clean it up the best I can here in the shop. Ooh. Time to try to clean this up. Ugly. The lower ball joint and upper ball joint are bad on both sides. So I'm going to replace them before I continue. Got to grind those top nubs off and press that out. All right, got those out. Now, time to put them in. Moog is what I'm installing. Moog, baby. Moog. Got the upper and lower tie rods in. Went ahead and put on new brake calipers, rotor hubs, and bearings. I'm gonna get to the tie rods sooner or later. Yeah. Got the airbags in, lines ran to the back. Brand new brakes, rotors, calipers, upper and lower ball joints, and the lines are ran on a temporary line. We'll let it down. Yep.
Huh?
Take her back up.
Back up. Oh. Tuned it.
Yep, definitely gonna have to go with the infamous A-arms. And probably have to get the infamous bag cups, because the ones I got for some reason don't let it lay out. I think the top cup is too tall. Well, this might be the problem. May not be the not the A-arms, but the cups might be my exhaust. Cut that off and see if that drops her down. Yeah, she's on the ground, all except for the front. Back's on the ground. Now I just gotta do something with those front cups. Maybe trim them cups down or something. Okay, so guess I figured out the problem. It wasn't the muffler hanging down. That was holding it up a little bit, but the rest is actually the cups. The cup size on the ones that I bought, the top cup is 4 1/4 and the bottom cup is 2 1/4. The ones you get from Infamous, the top cup is 3 inches and the bottom cup I believe is 1 7/8 or 2 inches. So that definitely makes a big difference in drop. So guess I got to take these cups out and cut them down. my next job. All right, got the bag bracket top, well, the top plates cut. I'm only gonna cut the top plates. Made it to where they're 3-inch top plates. That way, I mean, the only thing that I'm missing would be a quarter off the bottom. I'm not gonna worry about that quarter. I'm not gonna be running 28s or anything huge like that, but yep. Check the air lines. No leaks. About to put it in. See if this thing lays out. If it don't lay out, my guess is gonna be it's gonna be the A-arms, but I do have drop spindles. You already know that. Yeah, the A-arms would be the only other thing. All right, let's get it put in and find out what the verdict is. Success. It's laid out. Probably go lower. I ain't cutting them bolts off though. Might put me a skid plate down there or something. Protect them bolts, or fabricate something to move those bolts and mount that cross member some other way. But all in all, it was the brackets, or I should say the cups, top cups. Get them from Infamous. Don't do like I did, and I got mine off of eBay. I mean, they were same price if I would have got them from Infamous. But yeah, it's done. She's laid out. She is laid out. Can't see nothing from right here, but you seen the front. You know the back lays. That thing is laid out. Time to wrap it up for the night.